Hello everybody, it is Market Recap for February 5th. A great day in the market, closing strong, the S&P. So we have this daily downtrend, but we got zero follow through on this downtrend confirmation, and we started bouncing. We are still looking for a lower high than 609.96 on the S&P, but we have, I'm looking at this here. We caught support on the daily 50 RSI. The S&P has runway to run. We have maybe we'll, if we do break out, we could be looking at this upper trend line, but I really genuinely feel like we have a market melt up. Something like this about to happen, or this, or even this, like these melt ups. That is my conviction. It's up to the bears to prove me otherwise, because everything looks good for this bull run. SPY futures getting a little bit more after hours. Yeah, still the same thing. The NASDAQ more clear in this tightening range. We're still seeing the continuation on the NASDAQ though. Looks good. The Russell, it's actually about to challenge, or it's right at its or resistance here, so this could be the first to break tomorrow or tonight, so we will see. But odds still favor a lower high, so we still potentially may see a lower high, although it is looking good at this time. So this could be our bottom before another run. So I will be having my alerts for 15-minute and 1 hour oversold, because I do want to catch a 4-hour or daily higher low on the Russell, because this is something that can move quite a bit. And with Trump in power, these names are poised to do well, the small cap names. The Dow, like I said, we've got this cup and handle, and we've only retraced to the 0.382. This looks great for a weekly or daily bull flag, and seeing continuation. This will probably be the first one into new all-time highs, and this is what's lifting the market right now. SMH still hasn't got a I think this shouldn't be the 382. No, it's the 0.5. So if we get above this level, we will be looking good again on the semis. Obviously, it seems like this fear is being alleviated here, but we're still not fully out of the woods. We do need to break this level. Whether we just chop around and then break it, but otherwise, this is the must-break level for the bulls, and for the bears, this is the must-hold level. Okay, so going over the popular names, NVDA had a great day, up 5.21%. This is kind of what's telling me that the fear has been alleviated. We had this daily bear flag, it broke bear and straight into a bounce, which is a great sign for the bulls. Coming up to the daily 8 and 12 EMA, so we have that. We do have resistance here, so obviously these are our must-break levels for the bulls, but we've made lots of room for a daily higher low now at this point. So looking good, even in NVIDIA, and I've been chirping that for a while. TSM still in this tightening pattern here. We did make it down to the golden pocket. So yeah, odds favor a lower high on this than this peak here. AVGO. AVGO's, yeah, one of the better names. Closest, yeah, we've already changed the daily uptrend. AVGO looks great. So this would be, if you're wanting to play semiconductors, I'd be buying pullbacks on these ones. On this one, sorry. Netflix, so I said caution there on that daily break with no follow through. And today we got the follow through. So Netflix looks good. Bullish Marubozu candle, pretty much the best thing you can ask for. Yeah, looks poised for continuation. Volume decreasing, which we'll see how much further we get. Google getting support from the 50 moving average and this level right here. Closed fairly okay. We obviously want to see bounce continuation on the daily. We want to see a four-hour trend change. We haven't seen that yet. Have we even seen an hourly? No, we haven't even seen an hourly trend change. So first things first, we need to see an hourly trend change before we get any fear relief from the bears there. Apple. Well, that's good. Just an inside bar. Closed bullish lean though, so that's good. Obviously shaking the antitrust news as well. Still looking at this equilibrium, so looking for a daily lower high than 247.19. But this is still a bear flag at this point, so nothing is saying that this is set, and we won't see come down to this level at this time. So I've got alerts just in case we do get down there. I also am in a risk-free position anyway, so if we don't get down there, I'm cool if it tightens up here for a while. AMD, I said I wouldn't say that anymore. Possibly, this could be putting out a bottom. Still the weakest name, 52-week lows. Still want to see trends changed. Obviously, this is a great candle if you bought in at the bottom here. We're still at 52-week lows. It has so much proving to do. I'm not interested in AMD unless it makes a huge move, and then I could buy a pullback. RGTI still in this tightening range here. Just an inside bar on the day, so it's a pretty tight range here. So playing the break of that. If we break down, obviously this is the level to hold. If we break up, we're looking at this high, and then ultimately this gap fill above it. Coin, pretty weak. Close on the day. Not ideal, but we're still in this equilibrium here. If this is where we top out, and then we're already heading to the lows, I guess the bears might be favored here at this point. But still favoring. Actually, these are the two important points at this point. So as long as one of these doesn't break 265.20 and 310.61, we should tighten up still. Palantir, bit of daily consolidation, still just an indecision doji. We're waiting for these EMAs to catch up. I sold most of my position already, so I would be interested in buying a daily higher low, which would possibly come in the form of hourly oversold. So I'm very much interested for that. Hourly is almost to the 50 RSI, but yeah, I would buy oversold for sure. Visa, still raging bull. This is why I talk about it. Hourly oversold, marked the daily higher low, and straight up. Looks great. Baba. This is going to be earnings dependent here. Tomorrow morning we will see what happens, and if we break out, we'd be looking for a lower high than 117.82, depending on how well earnings is taken, or we would just be looking for a higher low. If we end up double topping on the weekly, we'd be looking for a higher low than 80.06. We may end up back testing this level, 94.12, before we head up, but these are just kind of the levels, nearby levels that can kind of act as support or resistance. As far as this goes, this is still a cup and handle-ish pattern right now. That's what I'm viewing this as, and hoping we see continuation to fire it up to the upside on earnings. Tesla, red day, closed week. Not too good. Not too good. So this is probably hourly overbought. Nope, actually hourly overbought. Didn't even mark the daily lower high. This is a fairly strong downtrend for Tesla right now. So caution if we do lose these levels. Very much caution. We do have these previous resistances. We could be looking at support. But yeah, if we lose these levels, I would definitely expect us to go down to this 358 level. Somewhere around there. But yeah, earnings, this could be, yeah. What are we looking at here? Did 4 hour get oversold? It did. So that didn't, if this breaks down further, then 4 hour oversold did not mark the weekly higher low. And yeah, so we would want the 50% 350 to hold. 350s are like, we don't want to lose 350 essentially on overall on this move. Meta. So we've got a bull flag breakout confirmed with no follow through at this time. We need more follow through than that, just like what Netflix just did. So hopefully we don't, if we break out and lose this low, that is a horrible sign, bad sign for the bulls. So this is the important level to hold at this time. And we'll see if it just keeps grinding up from here. All-time highs though, so buying back burners, I would buy hourly oversold for sure. Myself. Microsoft, we've got a double inside bar now. This is important. So if we break down here and get no follow through, I would be interested actually. I'm going to set an alert for a break here of this candle, because that would show me that this is a breakdown with no follow through. Otherwise, we would be looking down. We do have a lot of shares traded in this range, so this is quite a zone here. This is a big zone. 384.12 is the must hold level here for us to tighten up for a monthly equilibrium or weekly equilibrium, whatever you want to call it. For me, it's kind of a monthly one. From here, 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 here. So we might want to see, like if we do end up seeing daily oversold, we want that to mark the monthly higher low at that point. So I would definitely be interested in daily oversold in Microsoft as well. Amazon. So this was a bull flag that broke bull and then right into consolidation the next day. So caution on this name if this is the most important level to hold here. 232.22. We don't want to lose that level, because if we break out and then fall back down, that's a caution on that. And what else was I looking at? Yeah, cruise lines and banks are doing amazing. They should be on your top watch too for trades. They're just primed for all-time high runs, big bull runs. So that's what I'm looking at. Walmart, Costco, Spotify, all the industrial stuff. Anyways, that's all I have for today, and I will see you tomorrow morning. All right, take care. Bye.